This is an exciting day for me. Number one, I'm starting the new video series on the BERNINA 570 Quilters Edition and embroidery machine. But we also just finished filming all brand new BERNINA branded Embroidery Essentials course videos where you'll watch me do this entire quilt on a BERNINA embroidery machine. And that's to help you master all those BERNINA functions through the repetitiveness of every single technique that embroidery companies use in their collections. So you'll be able to pick up any collection and know what they're talking about. Those 15 embroidery techniques are going to be the foundation of you mastering your embroidery machine. So if your embroidery unit is still in the box, I won't tell, but let's get it out together and I will help you step by step, even through the part of how to transfer designs from your computer to your USB stick. So if that's the part that's hanging you up and that's why you haven't started playing with your embroidery module, I guarantee that we are going to have the two of you falling in love with each other in no time at all. We're going to take you from zero to hero, and I hope that you'll take the time to check out the free videos of this course that you can watch and see if this is the right course for you. We have helped over 1,500 students around the world master their embroidery machine through this step-by-step course. And now, with all the videos specifically done on a BERNINA embroidery machine, you're going to be able to follow along very easily. So I hope to see you in class soon. Check out all the links below where you can see where you can look for free videos here, and also check out our BERNINA Stitching Cosmos online course. That's the course that will help you master all the sewing side of your machine, from those decorative stitches to all those wonderful BERNINA accessory feet that are available to you. So let's take a journey together. I can't wait to get started.